In today's video, we are going to show you how to log into Cash App on a different phone, especially if you are switching devices and getting login issues. Now, if you are an Android user and the app keeps glitching, freezing, or not letting you log in, you may need to clear the cache. So to do this, I want you to go to Settings, tap the Apps, find the Cash App on the app list. I want you to tap Storage and select Clear Cache. It's important to know that do not tap the Clear Data unless you fully understand it, because it may log you out or reset the app settings. Now, after clearing the cache, reopen Cash App and try signing it again with their phone number or email, and this usually fixes most login issues on Android devices. Of course, you may be asked to verify your identity again using a code or email confirmation. Just follow these steps on screen and make sure your internet connection is stable. Always use the phone number or email link to your account and avoid logging in as much as possible on multiple devices at the same time if you are having issues. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to log into Cash App on a different phone and fix the common login problems. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.